The worst part of cooking isn't the actual cooking, it's the endless chopping. By the time you've finished dicing 3 onions and a mountain of peppers for a single stir-fry, your eyes are watering, your hands are tired, and you haven't even turned on the stove yet. That is why the Mueller Pro-Series 10 in one chopper has become a total viral sensation. This isn't just a gadget, it's a full-blown kitchen command center. It comes with 8 interchangeable blades that let you slice, dice, grate, and mince in a fraction of the time. Need perfectly uniform onion cubes? Just one quick press. Want a mandoline slice for a potato gratin? It does that too. And the best part? Everything falls directly into the built-in container, which means no more stray veggie pieces rolling off your cutting board and onto the floor. Safety is a huge priority here, especially with blades this sharp. It includes a finger protector and a cleaning tool to keep your hands far away from the edges. It's made from heavy-duty, food-grade materials that actually feel sturdy when you use them. Whether you're trying to eat healthier by prepping more salads or you're looking for the ultimate housewarming gift for a friend who just moved, this tool makes the chore, part of dinner, almost fun. Click the link below for the best price and start reclaiming your prep time.